Okay, we have a Haas CNC Vertical Machining Center model VF3SS APC, serial number 105648. Machine was new in 2007. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a new spindle installed in 2022. It's got a 40-inch X travel, 20Y, 25 of Z. It has 2 pallets. The table size is 48 by 18. You also have chip auger, cooling through spindle. Right now we're running the X. And the spindle is running at 2,500 RPM. Oh, it's up to 5,000 RPM. It's very quiet. The spindle goes up to 12,000 RPM. You also have high intensity lighting. That's your Y. And your Z. We're simulating a tool change. You have a side-mounted 25 position automatic tool changer. That's 10,000 RPM. It's very quiet. Okay. All right. Hey, thank you for watching our video.